Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And today I'll be showing you how to make rolled paper flowers like this, but using your drill instead of the quilling tools. This is going to make your job a whole lot easier, as you will see as you continue to watch along. It is very simple, especially if you are a beginner. I find this method to be better. So the first thing you want to do is insert your bobby pin into your drill. You want to make sure it's not turned. And then you want to make sure that your drill is going to rotate in the method that your flower, in the direction of your flower. So for this flower, it's going to be rotated to the left. So my drill is going to be rotating in the left direction. So I'm going to insert it in and begin, wait, twist it, and allow it to turn. You might want to start off slow just to be sure that it is properly working, and then you can speed it up. There you go. And when you are making the flowers, you know to release it and allow it to bloom a bit. And you can adjust it to your liking, however wide you want your flowers to be. Okay. And there you have it. And now you want to take your hot glue gun and glue the bottom of it. So I'm going to get my hot glue gun and glue the bottom. And here is the final result. And if you've ever used this before and then you try out this drill method, you will find that it is a lot easier to just use a drill versus using this quilling tool. This can be a hassle. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the like button down below, and also turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next upload. Bye.